biakamal kanur online TV channel kejan gwasme rajan banaling ta danan let kume SSPD avla kume spelim dung kirmayadit ta danan yedan gadi tinte kes pela mayo chan yang ajanu ko gwasen shuwa ki ka pan ga chana yang ajanu jen Iwache Deputy Chief of Defense Forces and Chief of Staff of the SPLMIO General Gabriel Doblam kene mampal members kel ke Camillo gan march wa kene no icha kalun lo chiga barar but kan ramkel kanalun ramamo kanalun you know jen gurno banling gwasme ke jom chala da jigat ala jigat roje kan lat gwasme tish kan kuma kirma yadi dano de kan ne de konen cha yen de kan kalun you know jogan kirma yadi dano tish ne yen go di ne Dr. Yang Machar tin chi yen dire kalun ka pedalong dire kalun ka pet ko na mo cha tere ngone no de opposition kini de kurate game ge dire ka yen you know shi kwere gajila no de SPLMIO dial SPLMIO official tin cha yen de ke yiklon no nyodo da na paran kirma yadit ko ntam nyodo jen o telepare ko mi yen opposition ke yen ne ko nte kum Dr. Machar mijak chi mo ga chi sanyo ga cha roje mo cha jala de gat Quer Minister Petroleum ngoda yienä ala pot kaaŋ kana konlun pot kaaŋ ala Petroleum Minister kana lunya shangna man cha Chief Defense Force cha lun cha Chief Staff cha lunya ala Quer SPLMIO cha lun Gabriel Dop cha do cha lun wajen kana lun you know awa gor ka jeno de jalun ngum chikana lun ka jeno mbo question you know jan do dana ku je gat ku kan le pet ka jeno jokan kum kirm yadi dino lonya ka ne dial kontin tin cha yen ko ngo de rander te lwa yienä ka do mi teleje tetten kuma na le roda nyok cha ja ngaje nun kuma SPLMIO teleje tet kuma chora lat ka nasser ne ti ke jeshen bor kane te kontin te chitich ka shaga tendo na kirmi yadit kene te kontin la peace monitoring body ten konan de men chikana lat kane te kontin la hali rewe ka nasser de kana me de kana yalaka but kan kirmi yadit kana jeling ano anta da rete gen chala do shimo gwade yana wuch da barar ta dana chalat keja baje kuin ya gwasame it got called for immediate release of detained SPLMIO official pending legal evidence wacha ne de kon la SPLMIO cha ka yen kan wode tele warga munyu da gwa en woken yan ka lot ko kujimo de ka barar ka do badana chikana lat keja The guarded of State Summit has called for the immediate release of detained SPLMIO official unless there is credible evidence for legal action, which should be carried out transparently and according to due process. Kani enne de kona ya yen ke SPLM tincha yen kene de ke yen na mdong te kaminyo de gwan o chikane duir but tele minyo den wo chikane duir tel dur mi chikane duir o charoja na inshallah nedin kontin la roja ka SPLMIO shagan ne kana tadien ka juba shio nokono de te juba ko juba point de gwan mi jekana beje longten ko ne tek dien te ka line dong de ran nak dong de ran leldi dong de ran yen chima chaka yane kan ne ne re wujan gwasa mo ka kwi ko nong ne mal no chang ne Dr. ma charmen te re wi ke juba je man chalga je en wo jene ram cha yen ko to gen cha yen ko tela man mut ka je tin nyan dor bas karwada ana mo kal jogen o jene shim mala she yar mal der je kula yar ka do benden ka jena ram ko monitor 24/7 ala gui ka dore kuma kirma yadi ta do benden da mal der je yar ka jamone so kirma yadi point je ramadan yar mal ko deployment ko jelat deployment of forces teacher gorno de deploy gwanden continent katen the call was made by IGAD, head of state, following virtual for the third extraordinary summit on South Sudan, chaired by the Djibouti President Ismail Omar, the current IGAD chair on May 12, 2025. Kashanga wero kapai diokame. Ajene dol kana la emergency meeting eje can carry out can recorded la IGAD kata andan and talk rika jare yuko to South Sudan. Wajen shangan jen ngwanu de dog dien ka duole kenten ku kan gadol ala de Djibouti president ke ko de Djibouti Charles Ismail Omar jara madana na ti gate titkeda jara madana na kaf e gat jara madana ti kariet bone ko kanete content kwa mal kwa le gwitinre wika South Sudan ko chi South Sudan ke dewre ko nyokire meje to ke 2013. The leader called for the immediate release of detained officials. Unless credible evidence warrant legal proceeding, we should be conducted transparently and in accordance with the process. Kene chol ken kum kirma yadi no lonyɛ ka ne dala kon la jes fele mayo tin kon in shayen tin tel munyu den o ken chika rega chika na lat ke chika maldak. We urge for the immediate release of detained officials. Information Minister and Government Spokesperson Michael Makweles has confirmed the arrest of some senior of SPLMIO. Ala wudishwal ke ngade Makwele dana Michael Makwele. Jaram dan en menti mela lere lat ke kume che laden wo chaga yinga SPLMIO. Many ne ko kien chit ke Petroleum Minister pot kaaŋ bo chaje yen bo ijane nona ijane nena gwasme official and officers including Petroleum Minister pot kaaŋ for allegedly being in conflict with the law. Ikan ne ti chikan ngot chikan ka yar te ga ter ka ngot katel mi chikan le mo nyo the evidence. So and imagine ko lar ji garando she talk this is just an allegation agent ke do mo gorno bi kan yen kwa sure arbitrary arrest and jen la mitel tel duomunyo the no de rande jen but still ku kan carry out do ku kan na ku kan yen ka queen nasr kadal micha yar ka nasr changa kel. The arrests on Tuesday came out after the Y Army reportedly overran the SSPDF garrison in Nasser County, Upper State in the morning hour. Wado be yana ka medan yana ka gwade ran chikoje to goje me chi jeshan bor chikan cam de ne dung SSPDF kim yadi chikan dak jen robe yan ka katele ka connection kanede to changa kel no karaje chalar ka chikan link but still they move on with the arrest of the SPLMIO of officers. So gan the tigan dial chiga talk Michael Makwele with me yanna na ka je adob do DNC adob ko gorken bol melo be ben pinya la be ben la court. So that's what the reason tel mu do DN yer mal ka na me tel ne de tel me te re ka jubere de yan bang te ka force na somewhere ka je no te ka re nu kudun. On their part, SPLMIO released a statement confirming the arbitrary and unlawful arrest on Deputy Chief Defense Forces and acting as SPLMIO Chief of Staff General Dwablam and Petroleum Minister Pot Kaaŋ at 2 a.m. Ken Naiti and Chief of Defense Force can alakwedi ni can Ramadan and Light Staff members ka SPLMIO kajen Petroleum Minister Pot Kaaŋ waken yana ka weather la 2 a.m. 2 a.m. weather by the way Ramanang jina muji ka weather ko charge bukulangach ano changi tenjin ko mde le nyin ka ngwadam but charge ka ko chwaje. We call upon the SPLMIG to release Honorable Pot Kaaŋ and General Dwablam from prison and uphold the agreement. I also appeal to peace partners to intervene to prevent South Sudan from descending into voices, say Paul Maideng, the opposition group spokesperson. La Paul Maideng Jeram Dan Lalle Rentama, SPLMIO, Chawijo, SPLMIG, SPLM in government. Jeneji Jogana and Lonyɛ Pot Kaaŋ can Dwablam can dial content tere yienä no jene woja ka chitre yienä ka brar ko tel dwer mi chikana duida. On Wednesday, March 12, SPLMIO spokesperson Paul Mai confirmed the detention of Honorable Gadwe Lampoch. Wednesday, she ladno Honorable Gadwe Lampoch charge yen, but it was later released ka dobran shalat kaja. A member of the revitalized peace agreement revitalized transitional government Melatke representing Nasser County 20 on March 11. Jen yan gaja changa welkel ka kwiri me to ka Nasser ko janan laramle MP ka Nasser jen robe dan yan gaja ko chi ko to kontomi. He explained that Honorable Gadwe was arrested while traveling from his residence in Tongping to Parliament. Alo jene we ka Tongping we ka Parliament in gwadan yan tin kirma yadi ko by the way kirma yadi ko targeni ne to contin la Nasser tin laga Nasser tin kontre kumaka memo a very wrong move along. Okay, jiram dan jegdej ka bilabin ko yienä it rien kel and me shimagwa. In a separate development, all right, the SPLMIO reported the release of Minister of Peace Building Stephen Farquhar for Negagwadidan Bachayan, but right now Chalun, who had been arrested on Thursday, March 6, 2025. Ela Farquhar Yanega Changa Bakel Kapaide or Kindango Yandango Dika Chwajabian Chwajabulunban. Pogbut Balong, acting press secretary in the office of First by President Dr. Machar, made the announcement. She Pogbalong to Rajamo Chuja Chaquin on a Jennifer Jenny Secretary General Walken National Transitional Committee Jen charge yen ka charge lun banagwadani charge yenten kan it contain yienä ka security agents ke ne contain la jine na security la gangton kono te pinker mi yadi ken tin la yu yakap yang wadar ka jikan jelga biene chikan jelga bien din la jel ken kamaj kapin. He say Faru is also Secretary General of the National Transitional Committee, was released from detention hour after being arrested by security agent in Juba. Pogbut Balong disclosed that the 3 other staff of the Peace Building Ministry were also arrested within the ministry. He say Minister Faru was released on Friday, March 7, 2025. While security personnel did not mention the reason for his brief arrest, he added that the 3 staff are still under detention. Jene uri shala fare man yan ka je ken do be shalun ke je bo jene tel me shalat so chalu ni je bang no anyong ne dang diok til let ke minister ngut kare jami te kanalun up to now kwanda kiir mayardit ajana na kuji gat ku kanala jogo no please kwane ti ko ka release ko ken tel me nyoda go anu ete ke dor mi ken ndu ajana danan go de nyaa ke kelban nyo je mudien goren wo bi te ko ken bo nyo lengwasme an biata mal bye bye.